Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a project share video and a quick tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I made this card, it's called an accordion card. If you want to see how I made this, stay till the end of the video because it's super quick. It's so easy. That's the back. And I just think it's different. It's so cute. And it's just square, but with, that 3D effect. So it has this little cord here that if you want to, you can actually hang it. It's just, I'm trying to show you how it looks. Okay, so that's like if it's hanging. The inside, you could decorate it however you want. Mine says, "Hey girlfriend." And each panel, you could do a sentiment. You could add, whatever you want. Right now, I just left it blank just to show you that, you could do whatever you want, whatever sentiment. And if it's on your desk, you see how it bounces? You could just leave it like that. And I just think it's super cute. You can also put maybe mini embellishments. The person can just take it off. So you could just do so much with this card. And I just think it's so cute. And like I said, you can also hang it from, just hang it in your craft room. And I use, for this one here, these flowers, I use Alinacutle dies. And let me show you real quick. The bowl, I've used this one, which is one of my favorite bowls. For the flower, I used this die, but I also used this one. So I cut this one, I made the flower, and if you can see, I put the piece in the bottom and then the flower on top. And it looks super cute when you put these together. The little squares itself, I use this die right here, the small one, which fits perfect. It fits perfect. And then the little silhouette of the girl is this one right here. And the doily in the inside is the big piece. And I just love that doily. I don't know if you can see it. You see? It's so pretty. And then the bows is this die right here. This one comes with the stamps, but I didn't use the stamps. I just cut the bow. And that's what the bow looks like. And I just added a little bling. So this is the flower again, just so you can see the two pieces added together creates that flower looking. I think it came out super cute. What else did I use? I think that's it. Oh, I used this one for the middle, for the in-between pieces. So I used that one. And I used this stamp set. And I used Hey Girlfriend. And what I like about this one, it gives you the frame. And it also gives you the die to cut. So I'm going to show you real quick how to make it. Okay, so let's put that on the side. You're going to need, I did a little bit of prep work just so this video is not so long. But you're going to need the base of the card itself is 6 1/4, 6 1/4. Okay, so cut that. You're going to need a piece of ribbon or string. You're going to need 2 little pieces. That's going to create your little X. It's like a T actually. Oh, it could be an X. Anyway. So you need a 1 by 3 3/4. Okay. And you're going to need 2 circles. So a circle, 1 1/2, 2 of them, and 1 inch. And again, these measurements, like this stuff, once you make yours, you can actually play with them and make it your own. You're going to need, for the panels, you're going to need a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. Okay. And we're going to score it at, so this is your 12 by 12 paper. You're going to score it at 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, 8, and 10. Okay, that's it for your scoring. Let's put that away. And now you're going to cut that piece because you need 4 strips. You're going to cut it at 2 inches a strip. And scoring it first just makes it so much easier. Okay, so take it. You need 4 pieces. You see, it's already all scored. So take 4 pieces of that. Let's cut that. Let's see. So we got 2. So you're cutting them at 2 inches. So it's 2 by 12. And I'll leave the measurements in the description bar. But I'm only going to show you the base itself. Because the inside of the card, like these little pieces, you can use the die. Or you can keep layering them as much as you want. Okay? So this extra piece, you can just do whatever you want with it. Okay. So now we have the base. And you have all these pieces. You want to start folding them. Okay. To make it look, just fold all your squares. So I don't know, they do that in that Mountain Valley speech. Just fold them all in. Okay. And then we're going to do this one. This is probably one of the easiest cards you guys are ever going to make. Okay, so now what you want to do is, this would be the back of the card. Okay. You want to add all these pieces to the back. Okay, so take your glue. Try to put it kind of in the middle, but above, you see where your score line is? You don't want to hide the score line because you want to be able to fold. Okay. And you take this, put your glue. Try to put it in the middle. Oops. And I'm kind of rushing here because I hate long videos, but just to kind of give you an idea of what it's supposed to be. So that one there. And you're going to need another piece, actually, to cover the bottom. Okay. So that here. So this is the bottom of your card right here. Okay. So now you're going to need another piece to cover that one. So if you want to do another 6 1/4 or a little smaller, it's totally up to you. Because what I did was, you see, I did a couple of layers. So you're hiding those panels. So let's say this is already, you already hide that. You flip it over. And put all your pieces together. Okay. Now this is the part where you have your X, your T, or whatever you want to call it. So you want to put it right in the middle. Okay. So you put your glue there, right in the middle. You take this piece that has the circle, you put that right on top. So you take that. Okay. And now what you want to do is you want to do a hole right in the middle. So let me put a hole and I'll be right back. Okay, so you make your little hole in the middle, and this is where you're going to put your string. So just put your string through there. And try to get the string through this little hole. There we go. Okay. And this part here, You make it as long as you want. This is the part I just put a piece of tape just to cover it, to flatten the ribbon. So you do that. And again, you cut your piece. You take this to hold it. And obviously you want to trim your ribbon. So just ignore all those marks. Trim your ribbon. And you got your little piece there. So now what you want to do is put your card like that. And each piece is going to be connected to that panel. So you glue this piece right here and put it right there in the middle. Okay, because that's going to pull your card. You take the next one, glue, and right in the middle. Then your next one, right in the middle. Then you take this piece here and the same thing, just that piece, and that goes right in the middle. Okay, so you see how it created that accordion look? And that is it, guys. Now all you want to do is cover your little squares. Basic decorate all your little squares. You could put your little clusters of flowers or whatever you want to do to kind of hide that middle piece. And I just did that. And I think it just looks super cute. And that's it. You got your little accordion card. And you could decorate however you want. And it's really a nice card when you give it to someone and you can hang it. It's kind of like, what those things called? Is it like a lantern? I don't know what they're called, but that's what it looks like. Super easy. And I will put the measurements in the description bar. So I hope you guys try it. Bye.